Greetings and welcome to video number 58. A few videos ago, this viewer right here commented requesting that I do Lego set number 79624. Quick research found out that it not only is, well, obviously a Lego set, it's a dual pack, and it happens to be the double Mercedes pack from the Speed Champions line. This is the Mercedes AMG G-class, and this is the Mercedes AMG SL-class. We're going to start with the SL. Alright, starting with the AMG SL, we start at the front, and it looks like the car, but not entirely accurate, but that is okay. It's Lego. They can't perfectly recreate every little curve and slant and piece to the design, but it is still there. We have the Mercedes logo, as you'd expect, along with the fancy grille. Some air intakes are visible right there. Their prints right here. Then we got another lower air intake slide that's part of the front splitter. Then we have the headlights. They are prints, thankfully, and they're just printed on there onto these slanted pieces. They don't perfectly recreate the look, but I mean, again, it's Lego. It's not going to be perfect. Then we have the first sticker right here for an extra fancy logo on the hood, which we're going to go ahead and open that, which it does open. And we get this good look at a little bit of like engine covering, but not really any engine in particular to see in there. On the side, we have good wheels with good rims, and this is Speed Champions, and these cars usually come with like secondary rim design that you can just switch out really easy to kind of mix and match and get the style you kind of want. Then we got some air vents here, as well as some big side splitter here, or air curtain, or side curtain, whatever you want to call it. All the wheels on this thing are completely identical, so nothing to point out there. We got this big yellow sticker for the entire piece, just for that little black line to represent the door handle. Then at the back we have an interestingly curved sticker for the Mercedes logo. Then we have the AMG logo where the license plate would go. Then we have tail lights as well as the SL-63 and the AMG. And I forgot to mention this one and the G-Wagon that is coming up next are the 63 editions. And then that right there is a fancy design for your brake light, just a little brake light sticking up, so don't worry, you still have that. Then down here you have the neat little exhausts. They're really nicely designed, as well as a little rear diffuser, and the other side is completely identical. We do also have this nice curved windshield and some side view mirrors. And if you couldn't already tell somehow, this is a roofless convertible vehicle. And the interior is very nicely there. The seats are not one solid piece. They're specially custom built pieces just for your needs. And this has an extra 2 seats in the back, although they are not that spacious. But if you're paying this much for this car, you're not paying really for convenience rather than sportiness. Now we got a little gear shift selector right there as a sticker, and then a print for the telemetry screen in the middle. We have this cute little steering wheel as well that does spin. Whee! Anyway, we got a little bit of dashboard here and up here. That's where the glove box would go, but the dashboard's up here. Of course, it's small. There's not a whole lot of detail that can go into it. And real quick, because this is a Lego set, here is the minifigure that's comes with the set. There are 2 minifigures, one for each car. This is the one that goes with this one. It's just a dude, cool sunglasses, hairstyle. He has racing jacket with AMG on it, so I'm guessing he's an official. Either he's a diehard Mercedes AGM fan, or he's an actual service technician or employee of Mercedes. But now hang on. He does, of course, sit in there nicely well, like you'd expect. But now to the next one. I have to raise the camera because it's a big one. This one is especially, this is, as I said before, the AMG G series number 63. And it's especially cool to me because there's only, from what I can remember, been 2 Speed Champions SUVs. This one and the Lamborghini Urus, which I am unable to obtain now. It's retired, so it's much more expensive and hard to get, so I don't think I'll be able to get my hands on the Lamborghini double pack, but there's this one. Anyway, it is the big luxury SUV, the brick, the block car, which doesn't look ugly in this case. The real GM G-Wagons look pristine. But anyway, at the front we have a much bigger grille with these unique pieces to portray the grille. We have the same single stud printed logo that the yellow one had. Then we have these big prints for the headlights. Of course, they're unique. Then we have transparent pieces for the extra headlights. And then we have a big front bumper. And the hood is a big flat piece with the same logo again on the hood of the SL, and it does open. And we get a lot more engine than on the SL Lego set I just looked at. Of course, it's not crazy detail, but there is some great pieces under this panel, and it's the same sticker logo tree design thingy that the SL had. Simple design, but very effective. Also, a fun fact, I've never seen windshield wipers on any other Speed Champions. Cool, love to see detail like that. The wheels are not unique, but the rims are, of course. There you go, see? The wheel's a standard wheel, not really Speed Champions unique, but the rim definitely is. It just pops right in there, and it looks awesome, not gonna lie. Then we have these printed 2x2 plates with AMG logo on the side. Thank goodness those aren't tiny stickers. Then we got these cool pieces I've never seen in flashy bright silver for the exhaust, of course. They're on both sides. Then we got little thingies here, which are actually the roller skate pieces, but they're used here for little door handles that don't work. The doors don't open, unfortunately. And we got little actual physical protruding side mirrors. Love to see it. And big nice real arches, as well as this, like, we have this whole line going all the way across, really satisfying. At the back we have another AMG plate where the license plate should go. I hope you put a license plate on your car. Then we have the, of course, classic spare tire with the Mercedes logo on it. Then we have the AMG and the G63, and as well as red taillights. And all these decals are stickers, unfortunately. On the other side, it's the same thing as the left side, and I'd like to point out this cool silver line that it all creates. Very cool detail. And because it's a SUV, I do want to point out and get special attention to how tall the roof is with all these luxurious looking windows. Again, I love how unique this set is. Anyway, so because there's no doors and you do want to get inside, it's roof gone. It's literally the entire roof. But on the inside, we can see a nice gray leather or brown tan leather trunk. There's no like trunk door. This is the only opening part besides the engine. And then we have, of course, beautiful white seats. I always love to see white interiors on Lego cars, car models, and real cars. I don't know why, they're cool. Then we have not much for, well, right there, but on the dashboard, the only sticker we have is this little, like, sorry, I keep looking at the car and not my screen. But anyway, we have a little telemetry thingy right here and a steering wheel that does not spin, sadly. But there's not that much detail on the inside. I mean, they had to put a lot more into design, plus it's a lot bigger anyway. And real quick, here's the minifigure for this one. It's a nice lady. Same fancy, it's the same, her shirt has the same, oh, it's in silver too, cool. It has the same fancy logo that is on the hood of both cars. Anyway, there you can see it's the same logo that's on the engine cover on both cars and the hood. On the back, it's just decals to look like a shirt. And they both have cool sunglasses. And yeah, there we go. And the roof is just connected by two studs at the back, so it's really easy to put on and off. And together, they again create a pretty nice duo. I presume these are co-workers or maybe even family members, both going on a joyride in their luxurious Mercedes. And they do really look cool together. Quick look around at different angles because they just look cool. But there you have it. There's just a short fun video for my first ever user comment request. I'll definitely fulfill any future ones I might receive. Let me know if you have any requests for Lego cars or Lego sets in general. I'd like to expand beyond car models to do other stuff as well, but that's coming down the road. And before I leave, I'd like to take a moment to announce that I am on Twitch and I am live streaming games, and I also plan to someday live stream an unboxing of Lego sets or car models. Maybe not Lego sets, because that'd be a long video if I'm building Lego set from start to finish. Maybe it can be multiple streams, but anyway, I might stream unboxings and such, but right now I'm just streaming games. I'll have my here's my Twitch name somewhere on screen so you can find me, and I'll put my Twitch link in the description below. So go check me out there, pop in, say hi, and just I want to grow my community as well as do more than just car models, and obviously I do Lego cars too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to that commenter for requesting this set. I was super happy to get it, read it, and most importantly, fulfill that request. I hope you did watch it. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one, or next video, or in the next stream. I don't know, but either way, I shall return.